Rosa Rosal was a devoted Christian. Ever since I was younger, she had always been a great influence in that way. From the time of Green Hills Christian Fellowship moving forward to CCF, I was one of those blessed who was able to visit the house of Pastor Nathan Tachi as a young kid, sharing a couple of afternoons in their home. But before I go on any further, I'd like to take the time to thank the people who were really, how would you say, who really put this thing together. It was very fast, almost like a whirlwind, because we only got together on Friday evening, more Saturday, very early morning. And I'd like to personally thank the Philippine Red Cross for their incredible help, and of course, talaga, sige, tagalogin ko na, yung sobrang pagiging pamilya kay Ms. Rosa Rosal. So personally, I'd like to thank Secretary General Benjamin Bang, Dr. Amina Naguta, of course, Ms. Aida Mutihar, and Miss Rhea, and also Miss Nalane. Ito talaga yung every time there's an event, sila talaga yung mga angels ni Mama Rose who have been there for her. And after the Red Cross, we would never, none of us would have been able to do all of this without Miss Rico. She is really the heart and the soul sa lahat na ito. And kung wala siya, sa totoo lang matutunaw talaga ako. So maraming salamat. Let's give all of them a round of applause. And hindi natin I feel wala na akong luha. Pero life goes on, and Rosa Rosal was a very strong woman, and she wouldn't want to see us down because of that. It's not about grieving, but it's about celebrating her beautiful life and a life well lived. And in line with that, to share with us the assurance from God's Word, we have with us Pastor Joby Soriano. Wait, I have to remove this because as we're getting older, nakakahirap na yun. So para wala akong Bible. Pastor Joby Soriano is a pastor elder of CCF Labang, known for his compassionate teaching and his heart for guiding people through God's Word. He studied at Menlo College School of Business in Palo Alto, California, so we are schoolmates. And he did special courses at Harvard University with honors. Before entering full-time ministry, he worked in the U.S. military leasing and airline cargo industries while establishing several successful businesses. He became a committed follower of Christ in 1986 and responded to God's call to pastoral ministry in the year 2000. Since then, Pastor Joby has devoted himself to teaching biblical principles and encouraging spiritual growth. His devotionals online continue to inspire thousands. He is married to Cindy, and they are blessed with 3 children, Jake, Miles, and Sandra. Today, we welcome Pastor Joby as he shares God's comfort and hope with us during this memorial service. Thank you very much, and Pastor Joby.